औज़ बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम आपको ना 23 मार्च 1940 के बारे में बताएंगे। जो करारदाद की वो हिस्ट्री है वो कैसे हुई थी, आज हम आपको बताते हैं। ब्राउज़र पे जाके हम हिस्ट्री खोलते हैं, गूगल पे जाते हैं, आगे लिखते हैं 23 मार्च 1940, 23 मार्च पाकिस्तान। ठीक हो गया। तो लाइट कर लें, ये आगे आ गई विकीपीडिया, इसकी ओपन कर लें। ये कहता है जी, इंग्लिश में लिखा हुआ जी पाकिस्तान डे। ठीक है जी, पाकिस्तान डे, योम पाकिस्तान और पाकिस्तान रेजोल्यूशन डे। आल्सो रिपब्लिक डे इज़ ए नेशनल हॉलीडे इन पाकिस्तान commemorating the Lahore Resolution passed on 23rd March 1940 and the adoption of the first constitution of Pakistan during the transition of the Dominion of Pakistan to the Islamic Republic on 23rd March 1956, making Pakistan the world's first Islamic Republic. A Republic Day parade by the armed force is often part of the celebration. ये है जी the schedules of PF performing aerial acrobatics during the 2015 parade में। ये है ऑफिशियल नेम, योम पाकिस्तान उर्दू। योम पाकिस्तान उर्दू। Observed Pakistan significant commemoration of Pakistan resolution and constitution celebration, full joint inter-service military parade, conferring of national decorations, observances, Pakistan diplomatic mission of Pakistan in other countries, 23rd March, frequency annual. The day celebrate the adoption of the Pakistan resolution by the Muslim League at the Minar Pakistan LIT Pakistan Tower that called for establishing an independent federation comprising provinces with Muslim majority located in northwestern and northeastern region of British controlled territories in India, excluding autonomous princely states on 23rd March 1940. On this day, a resolution was passed saying that Muslims in India wanted independence and separate homeland, and they were persecuted in India. Since then, the day is celebrated annually throughout the country as a public holiday. The Pakistan Armed Force usually hold a military parade to celebrate the event. आगे आ जाइए हिस्ट्री पे। ये एक फ़ोटो है कायद-ए-आज़म की। मेन आर्टिकल्स लिखा हो जी, मेन आर्टिकल्स लाहौर रेजोल्यूशंस एंड इकबाल पार्क। उसमें आ जाइए, ये आ गया ग्रुप फ़ोटो है जी। ग्रुप फ़ोटो मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना in center and some of founding father of Pakistan in Lahore 1940. The Muslim League held its annual session at Minto Park in Lahore, Punjab, that lasted from 22 to 24 March. During this event, the Muslim League led by Muhammad Ali Jinnah and other founding fathers narrated the events regarding the difference between Hindus and Muslims and introduced the historical resolution that commented the formation of a nation state in South Asia as Pakistan, even though it did not actually mention Pakistan at all. The resolution was moved by Abul Qasim Fazl Haq, 26 October 1873, 27 April 1962, often called Share Bangla, passed on 24 March and had its signature from the founding fathers of Pakistan. It read as quoting resolution number constitutional plan would be workable or acceptable to the Muslim unless geographical contiguous until a demarcated into regions which should be so constituted with such territorial adjustment as may be necessary that the areas in which the Muslims are numerically in majority as in the northwestern and eastern zones of India should be grouped to constitute independent states in which the constituent units shall be autonomous and sovereign. The British plan, the British plan to partition India subcontinent into Dominion India and Pakistan was announced on 3 June 1947. In the event, Pakistan was created on 14 August 1947 and India independence came a day later. Pakistan was immediately identified as migrant state born amid bloodshed. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of Pakistan, became first Governor General of Pakistan, and Mr. Liaquat Ali Khan, the first Prime Minister of Pakistan. The Indian Act of 1935 provided the legal framework for Pakistan until 1956. The state passed its own constitution while Pakistan's Independence Day celebrates its freedom from British rule. The Republic Day celebrates of coming into force of its constitution. Works and efforts by Basic Principles Committee drafted the basic outlines of the Constitution in 1949. After many deliberations and years of some modifications, the first set of the Constitution of Pakistan was enforced in the country on 23rd March 1956. The mark the country's successful transition from Dominion to Republic, Islamic Republic. The Governor General was replaced with the representative of Pakistan as ceremonial head of state. Initially, it was called Republic Day, but after Ayub Khan's takeover, the name was changed to Pakistan Day due to the end of democracy in Pakistan. आगे आ जाए जी सेलिब्रेशन में ये क्या बताता है जी पाकिस्तान डे परेड द मेन सेलिब्रेशन is held in Islamabad, the capital of Pakistan. The President of Pakistan is usually the chief guest. Also, they attend in public or Prime Minister of Pakistan alongside the cabinet minister, military chiefs of staff and chairman joint chiefs. A full inter-service joint military parade is rehearsed and broadcast live by the news media in all over the country. Pakistan military inter-service also shows a glance of its power and capabilities during this parade. The celebrations regarding the holiday include a full military and civilian parade in the capital, Islamabad. These are presided by the President of Pakistan and are held yearly in the morning after the parade. The President confers national awards and medals on the awardees at the presidency wreaths. Wreaths, are also laid at the mausoleums of Muhammad Iqbal and Muhammad Ali Jinnah, founder of Pakistan. In a very rare times and significance, foreign dignitaries have been invited to attend the military parade in the United States, while New York City has celebrated North America's largest Pakistan Day parade for decades. New Jersey's first annual Pakistan Day parade was held on August 16, 2015 in Addison Woodbridge, New Jersey. Parade commanders from 1956 to 2018, the following officers from the Army have led the joint services. ये आगे इसका टेबल है जी। 1983 में है जो कि ब्रिगेडियर नासिर महमूद, फर्स्ट पंजाब रेजिमेंट। 1987 ब्रिगेडियर अफसल जंजुआ SJ, FF रेजिमेंट, लेटर लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल। 1989 ब्रिगेडियर यासुब ड्रोगर, 2 FF रेजिमेंट गाइड्स। 96 में है ब्रिगेडियर नवीद नासर, 17 पंजाब रेजिमेंट आल्सो कमांडेड 70 पंजाब। 97 में है ब्रिगेडियर जवेद इकबाल, फील्ड रेजिमेंट MS2 नवाज शरीफ इन 1999। 98 ब्रिगेडियर अकरम साई, FF रेजिमेंट, लेटर मेजर जनरल। 99 ब्रिगेडियर खालिद नवाज जंजुआ, बलोच 3 बलोच रेजिमेंट, लेटर LT जनरल। 20 में ब्रिगेडियर 20 एक्सेस जो भी है लिखा हुआ है, ब्रिगेडियर बदर मुनीर AK रेजिमेंट। 2005 में जी ब्रिगेडियर नौशाद कियानी, पंजाब रेजिमेंट, लेटर मेजर जनरल। 2007 में जी ब्रिगेडियर तारा गफूर, FF रेजिमेंट, लेटर मेजर जनरल। 2008 में जी ब्रिगेडियर मेजर जनरल। ठीक है जी, इसको छोड़ दें, ये आप पढ़ लीजिएगा, मैं आपको लिखा होगा सारा। फॉरेन dignitaries who have attended the parade from 1956 to 2019, the following foreign dignitaries who have attended parade are, ये आप पढ़ लीजिएगा जी, सारा टेबल बना हुआ है। फॉरेन कॉन्टिजेंट्स भी है, इन्होंने हिस्सा लिया था, अटेंड की थी। अब आए सी आल्सो पे, ये कहता है जी हिस्ट्री ऑफ पाकिस्तान, हॉलीडेज, रिपब्लिक डे, इकबाल डे, मीनार पाकिस्तान। हम मीनार पाकिस्तान जाते हैं। ये लिखा हुआ जी Minar-e-Pakistan is a national monument located in Lahore, Pakistan. The tower was built between 1960 and 1968 on the site where the All India Muslim League passed the Lahore Resolution on 23rd March, 23 March 1940. The first official call for a separate uh, independent homeland for the Muslims of British India as espoused by the nation theory. The resolution, this resolution eventually helped led to the emergence of an independent पाकिस्तान स्टेट इन 1947 मीनार पाकिस्तान ये आ गया। उसके बाद स्टेटस नेशनल टावर ऑफ पाकिस्तान टाइप पब्लिक मोनूमेंट लोकेटेड लाहौर पंजाब पाकिस्तान कोऑर्डिनेट ये इसका ये सारा ये डाटा आ गया जी, ये तारा तारा इसकी हिस्ट्री में। ठीक है जी, अब हम आगे हैं डिज़ाइन क्या गया। द टावर रिफ्लेक्ट ए ब्लेंड ऑफ मुगल इस्लामिक एंड मॉडर्न आर्किटेक्चर। The tower was designed and supervised by Nasruddin Murad Khan, a Russian-born Pakistani architect and civil engineer. The foundation stone was laid on 23rd March 1960. Construction took 8 years and was completed on 21 October 1968 at an estimated cost of rupees 7,58,000 कायदा ही सैकड़ा हज़ार लाख दार 70,58,000। The money was collected by imposing an additional tax on cinema and horse racing tickets at the demand of Akhtar Hussain, governor of West Pakistan. Today, Minaret provides a panoramic view to visitor who can't climb up the stairs or access the top by means of elevator. The park around the monument include marble fountain and an artificial lake. स्ट्रक्चर आ गया, ये फ़ोटो बनी हुई है मीनार पाकिस्तान की, ये स्ट्रक्चर है। ये लिखा जी द मोनूमेंट साइट अटॉप पे प्लिंथ। The base is about 8 meters above the ground. The tower rises about 62 meters on the base. The total height of the Minar Pakistan is about 70 meters above the ground. The unfolding petals of flower like base are 9 meter high. The diameter of the tower is about 9.75 meters. The rostrum is built of patterned tiles and faces Badshai Mosque. The base comprises 4 platforms. The two symbolize the humble beginning of the freedom struggle. First platform is built with uncut stones from Taxila. Second platform is made of hammer dressed stones, whereas third platform is chiseled stones, polished white marble. At the fourth and final platform depicts the success of the Pakistan movement. Mr. Mukhtar Masood, a specific writer and then deputy Commissioner of Lahore, was one of the members of the building committee. Mia Abdul Khalik and Company. Services engineer Mia Abdul Ghani Mughal went to build many other landmarks of Pakistan, including Gaddafi Stadium, Lahore, City Hospital, Gujranwala, Chand the Killa, Chand ka Killa bypass, Gujranwala Lord's Hotel, universities of Punjab campus, Gujranwala, and 9 floors. Inscriptions. At the base, there are floral inscriptions on 10 converging white marble commemorative plaques. The inscription include the next of Lahore resolution in Urdu, Bengali, and English, and Delhi resolutions text, which was passed on 9 April 1946 on different plaques. Quranic verses and 99 names of Allah are inscribed in Arabic calligraphy, whereas national anthem of Pakistan in Urdu and Bengali excerpts from the speeches from the speeches of Muhammad Ali Jinnah in Urdu, Bengali, and English, along with few couplets of Allama Iqbal, including the other important inscriptions. आगे आ जाए symbolic importance. Nare Pakistan has served as location for a number of rallies. Construction पे आ जाए जी. Tower constructions was started in 1960 and it took 8 years to complete. In 1968, the estimated budget to complete the great construction near 70 lakh 70 lakh से मैंने कहा था यानी कि 7 million money to complete में. This project is collected from Pakistani people as to charge 10 to 50 rupees extra at the theatre cinema. It is a combination of Islamic as well as national culture. The tower base is shaped like a flower. Monument is covered with parks and flowers. Its location is used for political and religious events. It is also known as Liberty Tower of Pakistan. आगे जी गैलरी आ गए. ये तस्वीरें दिखा रहा है एरियल व्यू. Nare Pakistan Lahore, the monument with Badshai Mosque in the background. View from Iqbal Park. Nare Pakistan at night. Nare Pakistan ground level. View of Nare Pakistan light during special event. Nare Pakistan richly formed by an Aisley arc. Nare Pakistan night view. Nare Pakistan from view from ground. आगे आ जाइए सी आल्सो पे. लिस्ट ऑफ पार्क एंड गार्डन्स इन पाकिस्तान. इसको क्लिक करते हैं. ये क्या पता बाय टाइप पे क्या आता है जी. अलादीन वर्ल्ड कराची, एक्वा फन रिजॉर्ट्स बहार नियर टेक्सला, गो ऐश कराची, जिना पार्क रावलपिंडी, जॉयल लैंड लाहौर, जंगल वर्ल्ड रावलपिंडी, लेक व्यू पार्क इस्लामाबाद, नेशनल बैंक पार्क लाहौर, ओएसिस गोल्फ एंड एक्वा रिजॉर्ट लाहौर, शक्करपड़ियाँ इस्लामाबाद, सिंधबाद अम्यूज़मेंट पार्क, सुज़ो वाटर पार्क लाहौर। Botanical Gardens main article list of botanical gardens in Pakistan. National parks main article list of national parks of Pakistan. Zoological gardens list of zoos in Pakistan. Mughal Gardens, Shalimar Gardens, Sheikhpura Garden, Gardens by region. Abbottabad Ayubia National Park, Company Bagh, Lady Garden, otherwise known as Cantonment Public Park or Historical. Lady Gardens, Lal Azhar Safari Park, Shimla Hill Park, Wildlife Park, World Cedar Park, शबाश शरीफ पार्क गुजरात नहीं खुलता। गुजरात जू है शबाश शरीफ पार्क गुजरात, नवाज शरीफ पार्क गुजरात, लेडीज़ एंड चिल्ड्रन पार्क गुजरात, जहूर लाई जलालपुर जटा गुजरात, जहूर लाई पार्क जलालपुर जटा गुजरात, रानी बाग हैदराबाद में, अस्करी पब्लिक पार्क इस्लामाबाद में आता है जी। एवरी सेक्टर ऑफ इस्लामाबाद हैज़ मल्टीपल पार्क्स एंड गार्डन्स, सम ऑफ दम आर लिस्टेड हेयर। एक्वाफन रिजॉर्ट, ये आप पढ़ लीजिएगा, सारी तफसील ये लिखी हुई है, ठीक है। ये मैं आराम से ऊपर कर रहा हूँ। अब आते हैं सी आल्सो पे। लिस्ट ऑफ म्यूज़ियम इन पाकिस्तान, लिस्ट ऑफ अर्बन पार्क बाय साइज़, पार्क्स बाय साइज़। चलें ठीक है दोस्तों, उम्मीद है कि आपको वीडियो हमारी पसंद आ गई है। हम चलते हैं, ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़।